variety of food. Today, most of our food, such as the fruit, vegetables, the grain, milk, and meat, comes from plants that are grown and animals that are reared. Different plants grow in different conditions. Rice, for example, requires more water than wheat and barley. This explains why farmers grow some crops in some areas and not in other areas. Different animals to prefer different environments. For instance, sheep and goat can survive more easily than cattle in dry, hilly environments. But as you show in chapter 2, women and men did not always produce their own food. The beginning of farming and herding. We have seen in chapter 2 that the climate of the world was changing and show where plants and animals that people use it as a food. Men, women, and children probably observed several things that the palace where edible plants were found, how seeds broke off stalks, fell on the ground, and new plants sprouted from them. Perhaps they began looking after plants, protecting them from birds and animals so that they could grow and their seeds could ripen. In this way, people become farmers. And men, children could also attract and then them animals by leaving food for them near their shelters. So the first animal to be tamed was the wild and stored of the dog. Later, people encouraged animals that were relatively gentle to come near the campus where they lived. These animals such as the sheep, goat, cattle, and also the pig lived in herds, and most of them ate grass. Often, people protected these animals from attacks by other wild animals. This is how they become herders. Can you think of any reasons why the dog was perhaps the first animal to be tamed?